In this video, I'm going to show you how to connect Replit to GitHub step by step. It's very simple, so let's get started. First, log into your Replit account. You can't connect GitHub directly from the home page settings, so you need to open a specific project first. Go ahead and open any existing project or create a new one. For example, I'll open a Python project. Once your project loads and you're inside the code editor interface, look at the top. Click on the plus icon. If you don't immediately see Git, you can use the search bar inside the Tools section and type Git. Open the Git tool. You'll see a message that says No Git Provider Configured. That means you need to connect your GitHub account. Click on Settings inside the Git panel. You'll see GitHub listed there, but it will say Disconnected. Click on Sign In. A new window will open asking you to authorize Replit with your GitHub account. Make sure you're already logged into GitHub in your browser. Then click Authorize Replit. After authorizing, you'll be redirected back to Replit. You should now see that GitHub is connected successfully. Your Git provider will now show as active. That's it. If this helped you out, please subscribe. It really helps me out as well. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.